Good morning. Myself, Gunaprabha Gagoi, Assistant Professor, Pithipuर Girls Degree College, Dibrugarh, Assam. Today, I am going to say something about the basic requirements of teaching. The basic requirements of teaching include teacher, the independent variable, and students, the dependent variable. The teacher uses different methods, strategies, aids, and learning materials which act as intervening variables. Teaching is a continuous process, so patience, motivation, determination, and focus are the real forces which keep students on track. Teaching is a complex activity, so the teacher needs to be devoted and determined for the better future of students. Students should also have an interest in the subject, activities, learning materials, etc. Classroom activity facilitates learning and helps students retain information for a longer period. There is need of continuous and comprehensive evaluation so as to assess the performance of students and suggest remedial measures for improvement. Discipline is an important requirement of teaching. In the absence of discipline in the class, the teacher will not be able to teach the students, no matter how qualified he or she is. Classroom environment should be such that it encourages effective communication and interaction. Knowledge of teaching methods, effects of teaching, principles of teaching, knowledge of subject, knowledge of the nature of students, etc. are also required for effective teaching. Thank you.